In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and position an image on your desired page. To get started, open the page you want to work on and click Edit. This takes you into the page editor where you can make visual changes directly on the layout. If you have multiple pages on your site, just make sure you're editing the correct one before moving forward, especially if the image is meant for a specific section, like a homepage banner, about page, or service area. Once you're inside the editor, click Add Block shown with the plus icon, and then choose Image. This inserts a new image block onto the page. The image block is what gives you a dedicated space to place a photo, graphic, or other visual content. If you're building a more polished layout, choosing the right location for this block is important because it affects how the image supports the surrounding text and design. After the image block appears, you'll have the option to click Upload File or Select from Library. If the image is saved on your device and you want to bring in something new, choose Upload File. If you've already added the image before and it's stored in your site's media library, Select from Library is the faster option. This can save time and help keep your visuals organized, especially if you reuse brand images or website graphics across multiple pages. Once your image is added, the next step is to adjust its positioning and sizing on the Fluid Engine grid. This is where you fine-tune how the image appears within the page layout. You can move the image block to a better spot, resize it to make it more prominent or more balanced, and align it in a way that works well with the surrounding elements. Try to keep spacing consistent so the page looks clean and intentional. As you make these adjustments, pay attention to how the image fits into the overall design. A well-placed image can improve readability, create visual interest, and guide the viewer's attention exactly where you want it to go. If needed, make small changes until everything feels aligned and proportionate. And that's it. You've edited your page, added an image block, inserted your image, and adjusted it on the Fluid Engine grid so it fits naturally into your layout.